Back in the frozen garage. I'm gonna get this heater kicked on in a minute, so I'll probably just go to time lapse. But I think today I'm gonna try to get the transmission put on the engine and get it down off the engine stand. I still got some work to do on the engine bay of the car, so I'm not gonna put it in there yet. But I'm getting pretty close to being able to set it in there. So today I'm just gonna try to get the transmission on and the adapter plate and see how that goes. Well, I found the first benefit of having a 4-cylinder engine instead of a JZ. I can pick it up off the engine stand and get it ready without any help. So, I didn't blow my back out, that's a good sign. And now I can start putting the kit on there. So, there's the adapter plate. Got it started on there. Of course, I lost the instructions, so just kind of winging it now. Well, I got that piece all mounted up and started in there. Unfortunately, I don't have bolts to put my flywheel in. Thought they would have come with the kit, but mistaken. And then here's the CD09 with the external slag and the clutch. So I got some work to do, but I got to get some parts in first. And I also got some work to do in here. I got to clean up a little bit. I want to change the color in the bay. I was thinking of going, I don't know, if you got any ideas, put it down in the comments. See what y'all think. I got to do a new wrap on the hood because that one's toasted. I don't know if you can see. I cooked it, but we're getting there. So, I think that's gonna wrap me up for tonight. Got some new parts in. Test fit these guys and see what I need to change and what will work. It's a K-powered rear-wheel drive manifold and throttle body. Nice. Excited. Let's try it out. On there, fits pretty nice. The power steering pump, it's not gonna be able to fit, so I'm gonna have to figure something out for that. But other than that, it looks pretty good. The throttle cable mounts on the bottom to keep it nice and clean. Yeah. The intake air control is down here on the bottom. I think this is my map sensor, I believe. I'm sure. But I'll have to get me a fuel rail, some injectors. Figure out how this coolant port works. I think one of these is blocked off, and the other one flows coolant. There's the other coolants on the back. Yeah. So I got a little more research to do. Something goes here. I got some stuff to figure out still. Make progress. A little bit at a time.